Within walking distance of the Osceola County Courthouse sits this small bankruptcy law office, which has now become crowded with paperwork from Central Florida residents who need help.
I'm seeing people from all walks of life, to the upper middle class, to the lower middle class. They just cannot make ends meet.
Emmy Castellano says a struggling real estate market and mounting credit card debt put many Central Florida residents in the same financial trap. They just can't pay their bills. Even with stricter federal laws making filing a bankruptcy case more difficult, many are finding there's no other option. Attorneys at this bankruptcy law office in Kissimmee are watching a pattern emerge. They say a majority of their clients are somehow tied to the real estate market.
A lot of businesses fed off that housing boom. You had contractors, you had construction people, you had supply companies. They were all making money. And when the market crashed, well, there was no income for them. So I've got a lot of small business owners that are bankrupt because they were providing services to that market. And when that market failed, well, they consequently failed.
Attorney Clifton Black knew that troubled times were coming and prepared for this dismal season.
I don't know who didn't see it coming here in the real estate market when people were out buying 3 and 4 houses, remortgaging and so forth. A lot of speculation, and a lot of people have been doing that, not just pros, but everyday people. So it was a feverish economy in real estate that everybody, I think, knew that this is going to come to a stop, a halt, and how bad is it going to be.
The United States Bankruptcy Court for Middle Florida handles cases in and around Jacksonville, Orlando, and Tampa. In Metro Orlando alone, it handled over 3,500 cases in 2006. In 2007, that number was over 7,000, nearly double. And the latest numbers show there's little sign that the trend will slow down.
People in the lower levels of the middle class of our economy are hurting, and I don't know I don't know what it's going to take to change that.
What does that say for blue-collar workers? When you see the middle class being stretched, to the brink, what does that say? It sends a very, sobering message. These are very scary times.